4,000 balls a day. That's right, since 1955, every football used in the NFL has been made right here in Ohio. We're headed to the Wilson Football Factory. It's a one-tank trip. Cows provide us many great products: milk, butter, cheese, and you can add footballs to that list.
Everybody thinks it's pigskin, right? It's a cow leather.
Meet our tour guide for the day, Andy Wentling, plant manager here at the Wilson Football Factory in Ada, Ohio.
Every step of the way is done by hand. So I think a lot of people are surprised at that. They think if it's 2022 and there should be robots and there should be something building this football, and it's all done by hand. So as you walk through here, you're going to be surprised.
It all starts with cowhides that are processed in Illinois and stamped with a tiny W.
And they're random throughout the whole hide. As Shelby cuts our panels out, that football is going to have a W in it when it's done. So we can say that's a Wilson football.
As the tour progresses, we see firsthand these craftsmen and women assembling all types of footballs.
We make youth balls all the way up to the official size high school, college, and then the NFL game balls made here. The NFL teams, we start shipping those balls in March, so they can prep those. They'll go through those and say quarterback, practice, because the quarterbacks want their footballs prepped a certain way.
Plus, all of the footballs used in the Super Bowl are made right here.
So we'll make 244 game balls.
And that's just for the big game.
So we're probably going to hit close to 500,000 footballs this year. It's all sizes from K2, which is the real small ball, to the official NFL game ball. We do CFL. It's really cool.
As our tour passes through the facility, we see the balls stretched and turned inside out, laced up and inflated.
So she's going to load 2 balls in the mold, put the needle in. It's going to go closed. What we're doing is we're putting pressure inside that bladder. And what that does is pushes that leather out to the mold to give its ball shape.
After testing and inspection, these footballs are ready for game day, but you can score one for yourself when you stop by the gift shop. The Wilson Football Factory Tour, the only place in the world where you can see NFL footballs being made. And it's just a one-tank trip away. David Moss, Fox 8 News.